Alright guys, so I started recording with my old phone because my current phone, I don't know what's up with it, that the mic wasn't picking up. So didn't really get the first steps, but pretty much this is the part number you need. I bought these off eBay, the front bumper brackets for 03 to 07 Classic. So that one there, this part number right here, that's for the passenger side, and then that's for the driver's side. Pretty much you could bolt them up, like if you're gonna use the stock 1500 bumper, they have like bolt holes and a bracket in the rear. Maybe I'll show a clip from the other video, it's just they won't have audio, but pretty much if you're gonna put a 1500 bumper on here, you just have to drill the holes, like one and then one here and one here, and you could just bolt the bracket on. But since I'm putting the 2500, pretty much the actual bumper is the same thing, just the cap here is taller on it. So pretty much the bumper sits like 1.5 inches lower or something like that. So if you want to do the HD bumper, just buy the brackets and then pretty much just run them. The bottom of it has to be even with the frame for it to be the right height right here. If you just slide these on, because it has like indents in here, so you can't really slide it up and down the whole way through, because those, where I'm telling you, you can bolt it in the back, it'll hit on the indent, so it won't let it slide all the way through. So I had to cut those off to be able to put these on here, and then I just tacked them on, test fitted the bumper, and it fits on here like pretty much almost touching, which is like perfect, so there won't be like no gap or nothing on this whole thing there. And then so right now I'm just gonna fully weld it, and then I guess I'll show you another clip of it all the way bolted on. So there they are, fully welded, I guess you can say. I really just welded only like on the, what do you call it, like vertical wise, I guess, because, well, that's really all you need. And then here for the bumper bracket, it has to be able to slide in. So pretty much I left it open so it can slide in there. You can't really see, but it's welded, not gonna go nowhere. Now you can just bolt your bumper on. And these brackets here, if you just get the ones from the, what are like the newer style, because this truck is like, I think it's a 2000 or 2001. So just get these brackets from like the 2003 and up, and those should be fine. So now I'm just gonna bolt up the bumper. All right guys, so there's the bumper mounted. It's a little twisted over here on this side because I kind of had hit it there, but the bracket wasn't on. So and I can't find those brackets that come on the side, so I'm gonna have to look for them real quick to see where I left them, and then I'll install them, and then I'll show the video with it all installed. But pretty much if you put those brackets that I just showed you level in the bottom, you'll pretty much close the gap from the grill, and there'll still be a small gap under the headlights, which is usually, well, I mean, me personally, that's what I like better. That way, well, it just kind of looks better when there's no gap. If you want it to have a gap, just measure accordingly, I guess. So right now I'm gonna look for those brackets that go on like the outside corners, and then just bolt them on, just to kind of also confirm for you guys that they just bolt on. All right guys, so I scrounged around and found the brackets. I think one of them's a little bent, or I might need to adjust the bumper a bit still, because this gap's like fully closed, and that one has a little open on that side. So I'm gonna try adjusting it, but for now I guess we'll just call it a video. So pretty much that wraps up how to mount the bumper. As you can see, it looks semi-decent. And now you guys have the full video, and then I'm gonna need to buy a new cap because that one kind of got hit there, so it's a little messed up. And I'll recolor match it. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned for updates.